Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, Happy Crafters. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of my home for Christmas. Oh my goodness, I think this is going to be a lot of fun. So come on inside and let's take a tour of my home.
It all just goes away. The things I plan to say. Oh baby.
Welcome to my home. I should say welcome to my cozy Christmas home. This is our living room and this is one of our Christmas trees, and I wanted to show you some of the decorations that I shared with you in earlier videos during the holiday season. And I decided to add some of the bleached pine cones to my Christmas tree. I really like the natural look and I think it goes really well in this room. And this is our living room. It's not anything fancy, but this is home and I wanted to share my home with you. And even if you don't have a lot of decorations, you can do different things simply by adding some wall art, like this Santa from Hobby Lobby. And I even added a few trinkets to my lamp. It has shelves on it, so I thought those would look pretty. And some of the holiday decorations that I have in my home, they have a lot of meaning to me. Like the sign I made with my daughter. And have you ever thought of adding a Dollar Tree scarf to be a table runner? That's what this is. This is a Dollar Tree scarf that's a table runner. And here are a couple of festive pillows that I made from Dollar Tree placemats. And I painted the inside of this glass just to make it look really bright and shiny red and added some faux greenery. And then I have my Santa and my reindeer on either side. These little joy blocks were really easy to make and they fit perfectly onto my shelf. And I really like the wreath that I made for my front door, utilizing things that I already had. I just love having a cozy living room, and being able to decorate for the holidays really makes me happy. Now this is our dining room, and I made this tray. And then I added in some little flickering tea light candles. And here I have a lot of little Dollar Tree pieces that I made, including the tiered tray, which I made for about $2.50.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands.
I really like incorporating homemade items with things that I've bought. And I didn't get carried away in my kitchen, but this is my kitchen. I have another tiered tray and a few little projects that I made.
All I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need As long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
Sometimes adding a few accents goes a long way.
I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to
And this is looking into our dining room from the kitchen.
let me give you a Christmas.
And next to the stove, I added a couple vases and some flowers
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with
and a homemade pom-pom wreath that's on the door that leads to our garage.
as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh,
So that is pretty much the main level of our house. Just a lot of little pieces that I've done myself. And of course I have bought a few things, but usually I buy those at the end of the season.
Spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill
But let's go upstairs. We hang our stockings on our stairway because we use our wood-burning insert stove. But this is the area that I get to go a little bit crazy with my decorating. This is where we keep all of our presents until Christmas. But I allow myself free reign in the loft, and I add as many decorations as I can. I guess you would call this a maximalist Christmas decorating style. There is definitely a lot going on in this space, but like I said, this is the area where I just let myself go a little bit crazy. Not throughout the rest of the house, but in the loft area, this is okay. And I added a few festive touches to our guest bathroom as well, including some more faux flowers and a couple of prints that I made using Dollar Tree ornaments. Adding in a few red towels is so festive. And I even found this room deodorizer at Dollar Tree. And if you have a lot of guests coming over, you're going to need toilet paper, so I just wrapped these in some tissue paper to make them look a little more Christmassy. And then we have our bedroom. I just love our Christmas bedroom. And I've even included a Christmas tree. There is something so special about having a Christmas tree in your bedroom. And I also wanted to share a little bit of our outside. These are my horse head wreaths. I have them hanging at the front of our house. I love them so much. I love the way they turned out. And at the beginning of our property, I found a use for my little Timu horse head wreaths, and I just added them to wreaths that I already had. And I just wanted to show you, this is our driveway. This is how dark it is. We live out in the country and not a lot of light pollution going on, which makes it pretty dark. But that's okay, because inside our home, it's nice and cozy. And I'm wishing you the happiest and coziest Christmas of all.